Happy New Year, gals, guys, and everyone else. First video of the year, and actually first video in ages. So I just wanted to come here and kind of have a chat with you, ask what you guys are up to in cosplay for 2019. I want to know what has you enthusiastic, what games are coming out or have recently come out which have new characters that you want to cosplay from, what anime, what movies, what are you interested in? Trust me, let me know. This will help me develop a new set of videos that I'm working on. But then also, I wanted to share with you kind of what I'm working on at the moment as well. And I mean that in a very, my brain doesn't work properly sort of way. I have such a list of characters and things that I've started and not gotten far with, but I want to. But there's so many little things in each one of them that I pick out and want to do. And I wonder if anybody else has this and how you get past it. My usual advice, and my past advice has been, just finish something. Don't perfect it, just finish it. But I'm wondering how much of it is down to anxiety getting in the way, mental health issues, university being in the way, money issues, who knows? But yeah, this is like, these are all of my my random current thoughts. But I've got more. Welcome to the new studio setup. I mean, where are we? We are not, as it happens, just outside our old studio. No, we're actually somewhere much worse. Hence the hair being a bit weird. Yeah, because I know people are going to comment about the hair. But no, none of that's actually true. The reason why I'm either outside the studio, have weird coloured hair, is because I'm actually a wizard. Here are some things I've been working on, and if you want to see more of each individual one of these, let me know. I want to take you through how these things have happened, how I've made things, how I like making things, and also it gives me an excuse to research more and share more information with you guys. Of course, we have Mercy. Just want to do the classics in. We've got her apron, and it's been sprayed, which I then ruined. We've got her boots, which have been sprayed a couple of times and need a final spray. Got her undersuit. I've got a full, lovely staff. That's actually for somebody else. Somebody paid me to 3D print that for them, so. But I've got most of my own stuff with all the mechanics planned out. I only got 2 linkages to sort out, and I haven't revisited that in like 6 months. One of the random things that came up, I started to watch My Hero Academia this year, and out of nowhere, the one character that I thought, that'd be really cool, was 13. I mean, a little later we came across All Might's mentor, but that's a whole thing. Not going to spoil it. Watch the series, it's really good. But 13, I really like them. And then completely out of nowhere, I came across this big acrylic dome in a local hardware store, and it was all I could think about. And I've also bought like 10 meters of material, plus I've got all the foam to do the big like spacesuit out of. So I have everything I need for that. That feels to me like something that could be thrown together in a week, maybe a little bit more around university time. So they got added to the list. There's also like the only MCU character I have wanted to cosplay. I mean, Uncle Carol Danvers shows up because I kind of want a full leather motorcycle gear of that. But it's Proxima Midnight. I love her, and her staff and all of that. So I've actually made up and styled a wig for her. That was my first time ever styling a wig, and it was before I dyed my hair blue, so bleh. And behind Axe's wig, you can see part of Kindred. You can see part of Kindred. That's Wolf's underskull for the puppet, but we'll talk about that in a sec. I really like her staff, her weapon with the glowing bits, because I think that'd be so much fun to 3D model, 3D print, and it's really simple because it's all straight edges. And then her bodysuit, I've got the bodysuit pattern for that. I'll just use the same pattern I used for Vectra, but alter it a bit and like dress it up. On a similar note, using the same pattern, I really want to do Axa from Voltron. She's the only character from that series that I actually kind of really like. Well, no, there's her and a couple of other cohorts, because they're kind of cool. But I really like her outfit, and using the same pattern, I could just do that again. I've actually ordered the material for that cosplay. I've got this sitting in the bag. It's 40 quid worth of material that I never got around to using. I ordered her wig as well, but it never showed up, so that was a whole thing with eBay. My second oldest cosplay, my oldest cosplay is Groot. My oldest unfinished piece of work is Groot. I have his chest legs, they need detail, they need extra things. I've got the base, I have to have fully sculpted head, but I sculpted it so long ago, I want to re-sculpt it because I've gotten better at sculpting and molding and doing all this and And yeah, do I work on that now? I mean, if we want to go into the second oldest, it's Kindred. I sculpted her head, her face, and the skull for Wolf years ago now. And where are we? We did finish Vetra at the end of last year, but at least this year we have added to the cosplay. So yeah, I'm really proud of this, and I love making stuff like this. It's why I approached doing Widowmaker as well, because I really want to make her props. And we have her helmet, we have her rifle, we've got a couple of other 3D printed accessories, and the videos for those are in the work, but the big thing that's holding me back on that cosplay is, well, I need to sort myself out a bit, which is something I've promised myself every 6 months for the last like 2 years now, like running up to Comic-Cons, running up to events. I'll always think, that is my deadline, sort myself out. It's only 6 months, I can do 6 months. I cannot do 6 months. But yeah, so I started to invest in it, started to try and build it, and it never really happened. And then with the latest Magic the Gathering releases, I've got new things in my mind. I want to revisit the idea of doing a Magic the Gathering cosplay. There's a couple of characters from it I want to do, but chief among which is any of the prime speakers of the Simic, because really, on my notes for this episode, it just says It says the same thing for for Commander Shadow Sun from 140k, which is the only 140k cosplay I want to do, apart from Sister Battle, but Sister Battle was so overdone, I wanted to do another female, but this one allows me to do it up in stilts with the full armour, which is really cool, and I have to do a full face prosthetic, and if there's nothing I like more, it's full armour, full prosthetics. I don't like that, that'll kill me, but I'm going to do it anyway. That also has the notes, but I'm going to save you that. So yeah, that's how my mind works. I need help focusing it. And I also want to know what you guys are up to. So please comment below, drop me a message over Discord links below. Any of that will help out. Let's try and add some direction. Let's try and help each other by adding direction.